Hola estudiantes, bienvenidos a la clase. This is a guide to Spanish 101 on MyUJ. When you log into MyUJ and you click on our course, which is Spanish 101, this is what your first page may look like. We're going to start with the syllabus here. This page contains the syllabus, which is like a contract between me and you. It's an outline of policies and of the assignments that we'll be doing in the class. I suggest that you read it, perhaps that you print it out if you need to. What I like to do is I like to put the due dates into my calendar app on my phone, which helps me remember them. So to click away from the syllabus, you can click Overview in the menu, and that should take you back to the home page. Returning to the home page, if we scroll down a bit, you will see the calendar. The calendar tool is something very important, especially if you are taking a class that is primarily online. In MyUJ, you will see different due dates in the calendar, but if you would like to see a more visual representation of the calendar, you can click right here. This is the visual representation of the calendar, and as you can see, different assignments are posted onto it. Now, to see your coursework, you would click over in the menu where it says Coursework. This is what you will be doing in the class on MyUJ. If you want to learn more about an assignment, you can click on the link for the assignment. As you can see, this assignment tells me that I have completed it because I have completed the first initial post and the 2 replies necessary for discussion boards. After clicking Overview to get back to the home page, I can now check out the news and announcements for the class. Now, I will often post an announcement that you should receive via email, but if you want to read it in this section, you may. This is what the announcements look like, and you may read them here. But again, to navigate away from this page, you would press Overview. To see your grades, click Gradebook. This is what your gradebook will look like. It will have the different assignments divided up by type, which are discussion boards, the final project, homework, etc. And to navigate away from it, of course, press Overview. Discussion boards are a large part of our course. It is basically going to take the place of a lot of the participation you would have done in a face-to-face classroom. So to access the discussion boards, press or click on Discussion Forum in the menu. This is what your discussion forum will look like. As you can see, the discussion boards are ready to go. Some are open, some will open after certain dates. Scrolling down, you will find the voice boards. Voice boards are an important part of this class as they give you the opportunity to speak Spanish with your classmates and with me. I hope to have some conversation hours planned for the semester, but I have to see what time I would be able to do it via Zoom. So to learn more about your voice board assignments, you may click on the assignment. When you click on the assignment, it will give you the option to add a post. When you click on Add Post, you should see this window here. Voice boards will use this icon or this tool right here to record audio. You will record one initial post by audio and then listen to your classmates' posts, at least 2 of them, and respond to their posts also by recording audio in this window. Another important part of this class is the MyLab program. MyLab is where you will find your online homework and also an electronic version of the text. Once I click on the MyLab option in the menu, I can see a link for the MyLab Spanish homework website, the website that you will use to access the MyLab. This is what the MyLab login page looks like. You would have to register by clicking this blue button, and then you would enter in your access code that you purchased from the bookstore or elsewhere. So I will give you guys the class ID number shortly once I have everything completely set up. If you have any other questions, you can email me or call me on the phone during my office hours. So until then, hasta luego.